Nanonood lang ako ng TV. So today, I was too. Ganda ng ano guys, yung bago things to me. Meron ako nabili na bagong foundation and it's really good guys. You must try it. You must try it because meron ako ditong may tumubo sa akin na spot. Kasi nagdadalaga na si Mudra. Nili ako ng new product. So ito yung bagong products natin guys. Skincare, yung lifter. This one, look. Ito yan. And it's really good guys. Must try it. Konti lang. Konti lang guys. Konti lang. And takpan natin yung pinto natin.